Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Wednesday and we're back here taking another look at SPY. You can see it's pushing up. It actually started the day above its previous high. Here you can see that, but it did drop down as the day went on. So it's kind of interesting, but we are still making higher highs right here in the near term and really still pushing upwards. So good one to keep an eye on and see if it can actually break through this resistance zone here. On the crypto, Bitcoin it dropped down, but it's bounced back up and it's on its way to retest these highs up here. We could look at taking a potential long at this support zone here. So that could be a potential trade right there for Bitcoin. And Ethereum, same thing. It's kind of moving sideways a little bit, but it's still right around its highs right now. Move on to Forex. Looks like AUD JPY barely missed my entry. We really zoom in there. Just a hair's breadth that it missed it. So we'll see if it comes back and put me back in. This gold trade I took did stop out. I'm thinking the support zone would have been the better trade to take the long at. I mean, it hasn't really bounced off of it yet, but it has been holding pretty good, and this is a brand new zone that it did break, but just didn't have the support. So that one was unfortunate. GBP/USD, also Euro USD. They have very similar price action. Kind of gone flat a little bit. They did have some nice spikes, but now they're just kind of hanging around these support zones, seeing if they'll find another bounce. CAD JPY, this one did break this resistance zone. I was hoping it would get rejected at, but the good news is it has not reached the previous high, and that's really what I was hoping for over there with this stop loss. Onto NZD/USD. This one did get rejected. It had a nice fall, didn't quite reach my profit target. However, this one I did discuss in another video. I think my take profit was a little greedy here. I think I'm going to reassess it. Perhaps bring it to the very top of this zone. Because where it is now has only been reached once before, if we're looking at this price action here. So if I do that, I will have to bring my stop down, but I think it should be okay to do so since it was already rejected here once. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. USD CAD is a nice little winner here. Just a nice rejection and straight into my profit target. USD JPY is almost there. Just got to get past this last zone here. This is a pretty well respected zone, so hopefully it can break through it. But AUD NZD, I was initially looking at this long down here, but it kept climbing, so now I'm looking at a long here potentially. We'll see if it can find its way down there. AUD CAD, it's still trying to reject here and hopefully continue falling. GBP CHF, nice bounce at this support zone. It's held up for a while now. It just needs to keep going and hopefully break this zone here as well. UAD is getting caught up at this zone. Does seem like this is a recurring theme with my trades. These middle zones that really catch my trades up. So I may need to look into that as far as placing my profit targets. GPY. I just looked at this trade. It looks like it's on its way up to this big resistance zone. It's held up pretty well, so I thought I'd put a short there to get ready in case it does come up. But I do have to watch this uptrend here. If it takes too long to get to this trade, like say it just kind of keeps moving sideways till it finally reaches it here, I don't think I'd want to take that trade, since my take profit would be well below this uptrend line. So, but I still think it should get to it in a reasonable amount of time, so I think we'll be okay. But anyway, that's all I got for today. I think I'm really gonna start focusing and taking some more scalps, because I think I need to get a little more trade volume going, really hone my strategy here. So if I zoom in on like the 1 minute chart, you can see I have same kind of setups here, support resistance zones, and I'll be looking for trades on that time frame as well today. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below of what you guys have been trading, and hit that like and subscribe on your way out.